Hi, I'm Owen and your local DIY enthusiast from Builders. Well, you should inspect your fireplace or built-in braai at least once a year. According to statistics, failing to clean your chimney is one of the leading factors in house fires from a heating source. Well, these are the factors you need to look out for when inspecting your built-in braai or fireplace. Replace worn fireplace grids as and when needed. Inspect the flue system annually for soot buildup and or any other blockages, including bird's nests. Clean the flue pipe when internal soot deposits are greater than 6 mm thick. It is normal for any fireplace to show heat patches or some discoloration on the paintwork. Paintwork can be touched up with fire-resistant matte black paint. Lubricate the shaft and bearing of the weather cowl with grease annually. The cowl keeps wildlife like birds and squirrels, as well as rain and debris from getting into the chimney. The cowl is important because the sides allow smoke to escape. External flue pipes and the cowl can be painted with any color enamel paint. Attend to any sign of water leakage onto or inside the fireplace. Rust will damage your fireplace. For more tips on maintenance, please go to our blog on our website, which is www.builders.co.za. Get to Builders, get it done.